Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a iridium silver metallic. Under the hood is a 3.5 V6. This one comes with 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, black MB-Tex leather interior, sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, a trailer hitch, powered liftgate, set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, a cargo cover, plenty of space here in the back. Up front here we've got a Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, and anthracite poplar wood. This one does come with their Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, keyless go. Hopping in here we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle up here. A rear view backup camera. Included in the Premium 1 package is navigation. We got heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our command center. This vehicle has 66,682 miles. To view more photos of this Mercedes, check out feldmanimports.com.